Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1658 indicates a malfunction with the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS, specifically relating to the relay that activates the throttle control. This issue primarily points to the control relay that plays a critical role in ensuring that the throttle acts as commanded by the Engine Control Module, ECM, allowing for smooth acceleration and deceleration of the vehicle. The malfunction could stem from various internal or external electrical issues, such as faulty wiring, relay failures, or problems with the control module itself. Each component interacts with the throttle body, which is located near the engine intake manifold and is essential for performance and safety. In troubleshooting this error, it is important to confirm if the issue is intermittent or consistent, as this will inform the approach to repair. Remember, this control relay is part of the PGM-FI system, which stands for Programmed Fuel Injection, and is crucial for managing fuel delivery based on real-time operating conditions. DTC P1658 specifically refers to an issue with the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS, where the control relay does not operate as expected. The ETCS control relay serves to activate or deactivate the throttle actuator based on commands received from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is responsible for processing sensor data and executing commands for throttle position, which affects the overall engine performance. The relay resides within the PGM-FI sub-relay circuit, generally located near the engine bay, often on or near the relay box. Ensuring that the relay operates correctly is vital because it directly impacts throttle response. A malfunction can lead to reduced engine performance, unexpected acceleration behavior, or even stalling. Understanding the layout and interaction of these components is essential for accurate diagnostics and repairs. When facing DTC P1658, several potential causes may manifest, beginning with intermittent electrical connections. Poor connections or loose terminals at the relay circuit board or PCM can lead to erratic functionality, causing the system to exhibit various symptoms at unpredictable times. Another possible cause is a failed relay circuit board. If the board is damaged, it may no longer provide the necessary signal to the throttle actuator. Additionally, damaged wiring or shorts in the relay circuit signify a significant risk of failure in the ETCS. Conducting proper checks is essential in diagnosing whether the malfunction lies within these components. Identifying these potential causes is key in effectively resolving the DTC to restore proper vehicle functionality. The symptoms related to DTC P1658 can range, but typically include poor acceleration, which may be noticeable during attempts to increase speed or during rapid throttle applications. Drivers may also experience a check engine light activation, prompting an immediate diagnostic investigation. Additionally, delays in throttle response can be particularly concerning, as they indicate that the vehicle's engine may not react promptly to driver inputs. This reduced responsiveness can diminish the overall driving experience, making it difficult to predict how the vehicle will respond under different conditions. Being aware of these symptoms can assist in identifying the need for a closer inspection of the ETCS and its associated components. In troubleshooting DTC P1658, the first step involves turning the vehicle to the on mode, triggering the appropriate systems without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to select the ETCS Throttle Actuator Control test function. This test aims to provide immediate feedback about the system's operational status. If the result indicates satisfactory performance, it suggests that the system is potentially functioning correctly at this time. revealing an intermittent failure that requires further investigation into the connections and terminals. However, if the test result returns as a failure, follow up with Step 2 to resolve the underlying issue. Document any findings thoroughly to aid in subsequent steps. For the second step in troubleshooting DTC P1658, verify the functionality of the relay circuit board. Begin by switching the vehicle to the off-lock mode to ensure safety during testing. The next critical action is to remove the relay circuit board from its housing for inspection. Once removed, utilize diagnostic tools to assess the condition of the relay circuit board. If it fails to meet operational specifications, it indicates that replacement is necessary to rectify the problem. Conversely, if the board tests out as functional, continue to Step 3 to further diagnose potential wiring issues or failures contributing to the DTC. Accurate testing at this stage is crucial in diagnosing the core problem efficiently. The third troubleshooting step requires evaluating the wire connected to the relay circuit. Begin by entering the HDS to jump the SCS line, which represents the short circuit testing mode. Allow the system to stabilize for over 1 minute. Then disconnect the PCM connector A, which contains numerous pins for essential connections. To check for wire integrity, utilize a multimeter to measure continuity between designated test points, specifically from pin number 25 of the PCM connector A to a solid body ground. If continuity is confirmed, this indicates a short in the FI subrail CL wire between the PCM and the relay circuit board, requiring immediate repair. If there is no continuity, proceed to the fourth troubleshooting step to inspect for other wiring issues. In Step 4, the objective is to assess the integrity of the FI sub RLY out wire to power. First, exit the SCS mode using the HDS to reset the system parameters. After resetting, turn the vehicle to the on mode, allowing the electronics to come alive while maintaining caution regarding any safety protocols. Utilize a multimeter to measure the voltage at the designated test points, specifically between pin number 16 of the PCM connector A and a reliable ground source. If battery voltage is detected, it suggests a malfunctioning FI sub RLY out wire and mandates repairs. However, if no battery voltage is present, it suggests that this wire is functioning correctly, and one may need to reference authorized service information for further guidance, potentially including the replacement of a known good PCM. After completing the necessary repairs linked to DTC P1658, it is crucial to conduct a final diagnostic test to ensure that all systems function as expected. This step involves rerunning the ETCS TAC test within the Honda diagnostic system to confirm that the relay is now operational and no further error codes are present. Furthermore, monitor the vehicle under various driving conditions to validate that the throttle operates smoothly without unexpected responses. If the vehicle performs without issues, clearing the DTC codes from the system will reset the vehicle's memory, allowing it to relearn operational parameters. It's essential to keep a detailed report of the findings and repairs made to provide a baseline for future diagnostics. This verification step ultimately safeguards the vehicle's performance and user safety. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in mitigating potential issues associated with DTC P1658. One of the key aspects is to conduct regular inspections of the wiring and electrical connections associated with the ETCS system. Ensuring that all connections are solid, free from corrosion, and secure can greatly reduce the likelihood of intermittent failures. Additionally, consider periodic testing of relay functionality to confirm that it operates without any hiccups. Conducting these preventive measures will not only help maintain optimal performance, but also enhance the longevity of the throttle control system and other associated components. Staying proactive in vehicle maintenance is instrumental for preventing costly repairs down the line. In conclusion, DTC P1658 identifies issues specifically related to the electronic throttle control system, primarily focusing on the control relay's functionality. The troubleshooting steps provide a comprehensive approach to diagnose and resolve the error efficiently by checking various components, from relays to wiring integrity. Awareness of this DTC and its underlying causes empowers vehicle owners and technicians alike to preserve the reliability and safety of their Honda Accord. Regular preventive maintenance can significantly decrease the frequency of such issues, ensuring better performance over time. By promptly addressing the symptoms and following thorough diagnostics, one can effectively manage the vehicle's electronic systems while ensuring a smooth driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.